Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, safe and healthy. If you are new here, I am Aiza Beg, and for the returning subscribers, thank you guys for returning back to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys 5 foods they are absolute must when you visit Africa, Botswana. So I hope you enjoy my today's video. If you like my videos, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful videos. So let's go and get started. So the first food that you have to try when you visit Africa, Botswana is Siswa. Siswa is a national dish of Botswana. Siswa's ingredients are very simple and easy. Number 1, meat on bone. Number 2, salt. And number 3, water. Salt added while the meat cooks helps to soften the meat. Siswa cooked very low and slow flame in the 3 legs iron pot over an open fire. Siswa usually prepared by men due to physical exhaustion during the preparation process. In the rural part of Botswana, Siswa preparation begins in the morning, cooking throughout the day. Siswa is served at weddings, funerals, and other celebrations. Siswa is served with pap and Morogo. One dish which Siswana people can eat anytime and situation is pap. This traditional porridge made from maize flour, boiled with water into dough-like consistency. And this dish is typically stirred with wooden whisk called lehetho. In Siswana, people add butter and sugar to their pap in the morning and eat it as a porridge to start their day. And pap acts as the base for many dishes because it's inexpensive and filling, and maize flour is very inexpensive in Botswana. One thing which I experienced when they're making pap, they serve it immediately because it will stiffen as it cool. The next dish is Morogo or Morogo. Morogo is also known as African spinach and it's ideal for less adventurous people, and it's oftenly used in traditional dishes. Morogo have a slightly bitter taste, so usually they combine with other green veggies including pumpkin leaves to enhance the flavor and the nutritional value. Some of us could never imagine eating insects, but in Botswana, the Mufani worms are a popular dish. Mufani worms contain around 60% protein and a lot of calcium. They are hand-picked in the desert, often by women and children. When the caterpillar has been picked, the outer shell is removed. After this, they are either dried according to the traditional style in the sun. They can also be stored for several months. You can eat them in different forms: boiled, cooked, or fried. They serve it with spicy peanut sauce. The next dish is the Hobe or same. This dish is made from combination of beans and same, and the ingredients are cooked in a minimal quantity of oil or fat, and salt used as the seasoning. The Hobe is quite brownish in color, and one plate of the Hobe is enough to feed 2 adults because the amount of calories in the Hobe is too much.